Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a special experience with you. Recently, I had the chance to enjoy a delicious homemade meal at a friend's house in Gangneung, where I got to taste some authentic Gangneung-style dishes. In this video, I'll be introducing you to soy-marinated octopus sushi, keikosuraigi seaweed salad, various types of salted seafood, and mille feuille nabe. I'll also give you a taste of each dish and share some simple recipes. So stick around until the end. Let's start with the soy-marinated octopus. This dish is a popular seafood delicacy in Gangneung, and the octopus I had was massive. The tentacle was so big that just one was enough for 3 of us to share. The octopus is sliced thinly and marinated in a rich soy sauce mixture, creating a dish that's both tender and chewy. The savory flavor of the soy sauce blends perfectly with the octopus's natural taste, and a dash of sesame oil adds extra depth. The recipe is simple. Take fresh octopus, slice it thinly, and mix it with a sauce made from soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and red pepper powder. For a bit of tang, you can also add a splash of vinegar. Next up is the octopus sushi. This sushi is made with fresh octopus from the Gangneung coast, and the combination of the chewy octopus with the slightly sweet sushi rice is simply divine. To make it, you first cook the octopus until it's tender. Then slice it thinly and place it on top of a small ball of sushi rice. Serve it with a bit of soy sauce and wasabi, and you'll get a bite of the ocean with every mouthful. Now, let's talk about the keikosuraigi salad. Keikosuraigi is a salad made from various types of seaweed, giving it a fresh, oceanic flavor that's a staple in Gangneung. The mix of different textures from the seaweed, combined with a spicy seasoning made from red pepper powder, minced garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil, really brings out the freshness of the seaweed. The recipe is very straightforward. Clean the seaweed, mix it with the seasoning, and it's ready to serve. A sprinkle of sesame seeds on top adds a nice nutty flavor. One thing you can't miss in Gangneung is the various types of salted seafood. Gangneung is famous for its salted seafood, and these dishes are perfect when paired with rice. From the rich, savory taste of pollock roe to the spicy salted squid and the deep flavor of salted hairtail innards, each type of salted seafood offers a unique taste experience. The key to making great salted seafood is using fresh ingredients, mixed with red pepper powder, garlic, ginger, and salted shrimp, and then allowing it to ferment. My friend's homemade pollock roe was incredibly flavorful and left a lasting impression. Finally, we have the mille feuille nabe. This dish is a Japanese-style hot pot that has been adapted with a Gangneung twist, featuring layers of thinly sliced meat and vegetables. In Gangneung, it's common to add fresh seafood to this dish. We layered napa cabbage, perilla leaves, and thin slices of beef, then poured in a broth made from dried pollock or anchovies and let it simmer. We also added shrimp, clams, and abalone, which enriched the broth with a deep, oceanic flavor. After finishing the hot pot, we added kalguksu noodles to the remaining broth, which soaked up all the delicious flavors, making for a perfect ending to the meal. This dish is not only fun to prepare, with its layered presentation, but it also makes a stunning and delicious centerpiece for any gathering. The Gangneung-style homemade meal I experienced was truly special. The combination of fresh seafood and unique Gangneung flavors made each dish a joy to eat and prepare. If you ever visit Gangneung, I highly recommend trying these local home-style dishes for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.